Decorating your home for Christmas seems to have started earlier this year, as we all need cheering up, but there's still time to create more magic. Christmas projects with Valerie start with this lovely circular table mat that would grace any festive feast, and which she has designed to be very economical on fabric. She shows us how to make these Christmas table mats, using pre-printed panels as a focus. And in our Technique Thursday video, she shows us how the stitch and flip method, which means the projects are quilted at the same time, can be used to produce Christmas stockings or placemats. Anne Baxter is also in a Yuletide mood, creating this lovely Rudolph applique wall hanging, whilst Gail Pemberthy, still on a Christmas theme, brings us a wide variety of redwork embroidery projects. Two workshops that could work as gift ideas are this lovely Dog Rose pincushion workshop with Sylvia Critcher, which comes as a kit and as our product of the month has free UK postage, and Jenny Raymond suggests using up your scraps to create another useful pincushion or doorstop. For those in the learning mood, Jane Chire, our crochet expert, shows you how to work the 3 stitches that she says is all you will need to enjoy crochet yourself. And finally, sit back and enjoy this stunning display quilt, which is made up of 31 pieces of textile art, inspired by BBC Radio 4's famous shipping forecast, and made by Delia Salter. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.